This is the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G that I'm reviewing today. My last phone was a Samsung as well, and I love Samsung phones. They're reliable. I needed an upgrade, so I've gone with this one, and I'm so happy with it. It's a great size. The screen is 6.6 inch, so easy to see. It's brighter, and the photo resolution on it is fantastic. There's more storage. It comes with a charging cable, and it's slightly weightier than my last one, but it's good because I can grip it well. And I really do love this phone. I'm really pleased with it. So if you're looking for a new phone, I can actually highly recommend the Galaxy A35 because it's great quality. It's a fantastic phone. And there you go.